Hi there, I'm Java Jim with First Line Equipment, and today in front of us we have the Torre Peppina Evo Premium Dual Boiler Espresso Machine with Steam Pro Balance. New feature, idea originated with me on the Steam Pro Balance. And today we're going to go over the settings menu. Part of it's in the manual, but this one is pretty self-explanatory as we go through it. And basically it is to tell the machine, are we plumbing it or tanking it? Time, date, settings. Okay, and there's a few other things. So let's get started in how to get to the menu and go over these things and see the beautiful capabilities that this machine has through the touch display, which doesn't like my fingers. Let's get started. Before we even get started with the menu, you'll see there's a little splash guard here. This is to redirect any water that goes on the front panel towards the drip tray. To get into the settings menu, we'll press that button right there. My fingers are starting to get used to the touch display on this particular fine machine. We'll hit this settings button right here. You have your language, okay, and if you want to change it, lingua, okay, langue, I can't even pronounce some of these here, but I'll stick with the English or the British because that's the easiest for me. Hit the OK button. Okay, let's go this way. Factory reset. If you want to reset everything, you can reset. Water supply, tank, plumbed in, tank. There's only two options there. Okay, we'll hit the OK button. And there's no valve that I could see on the bottom. Let me double check. Yeah, I don't see any manual valve there. You have to switch the water supply. It's basically done right through the touchpad. I mean, you can't get any simpler than that. Temperature, you want Fahrenheit, Celsius, or Java Jim temperature. Just kidding. Hit that OK. Here's your time. If you want to change that, military time. Okay, there we go. Date. Date of this filming is August 28th, 2023. Okay, if this machine lasts you into the 2100s, God bless you. Because I haven't seen any machine that's going to last over 60 or 70 years, except for ones that have been completely rebuilt and refurbished. Day of the week, and back to language. Really simple. Hit the home button there. Okay, and this, if you want that on the display, you can have that there. Pretty simple. As you can see, we went over the settings menu on this fine looking and well built dual boiler espresso machine by Torre Espresso in Italy. Not other countries, Italy. And as you can see, this one is pretty much straightforward to get through the settings menu, and hopefully you enjoyed it. Give us a thumbs up down below. Subscribe to our other social media channels. If you have any questions, click on the link below to go to our website and read up on this machine, on all the spectacular features. As well, if you have additional questions, there's a Q&A section where you can ask questions and we'd be delighted to answer them. As well as if you want to give any commentary as well, you can write a review once you own this great machine that will make all others obsolete. Thank you for watching. This is Java Jim with First Line Equipment. Have a wonderful day. Drink coffee first and keep everything else second.